So I come upon this poem that is right under the crosswords, yesterday's paper. And it's entitled New Beginnings. It's written by Bruce Wilmer in 1978, and as you will note, just as relevant today. So New Beginnings. Each chapter that is ending leads us to a new beginning. Hold on, I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see a little better. The past that we are leaving means a future we are winning. Each change that fills the present sets the stage for our tomorrow. And how we meet each challenge helps determine joy or sorrow. In every new beginning, spirit plays a vital part. We must approach tomorrow with a strong and steady heart. So as we turn the corner, let's all apprehension shed and fill our heart with confidence as we proceed ahead. Hi, Louisa. I'm so glad you're here. I think that sums it up. So let's close our eyes. Let's take a unified deep breath, breathing in and letting go. Take another deep breath, breathing in clarity and exhaling confusion. Breathing in serenity and exhaling chaos. Breathing in calmness and breathing out peace. With every breath that you take, feel your body relaxing as your mind becomes still in this moment of reconnection, in this moment of oneness with all aspects of who you are, mental, physical, spiritual, emotional, so that all parts of you are unified and brought into this light of transformation, this light of empowerment, this light that brings greater clarity, greater focus, a greater sense of what the next step is for each of you. So as you relax, even more so, feeling the energy within your whole physicality from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Feel every muscle unwind. Feel your jaw unclench. Feel your heart expand. Feel your mind become open to receiving new information, new thought patterns. As the old recycled thoughts are no longer needed, they are part of the past and have no place in the present. So take another deep breath, dropping even deeper into your heart, into the space that is infinite, this energy that is alive, that is vibrant, that is welcoming, that is all-encompassing. as if you were opening a door to every room within your home, within your house. Allow all that has been put behind doors, swept under rugs, out into the open, out into this fresh breeze, this fresh air that seeps through your energetic field. This fresh air is the light of Source as it penetrates all parts, reactivating all that has been dormant. Do not be concerned with what is revealed, for what is revealed comes up to be observed, to be released, to be healed, to be let go of, so that you are no longer bound to the ways of your past. You are no longer controlled by fears that no longer apply to who you are in this present moment. And as you awaken to the greater part of who you are, to the truth within you, you can feel how more solid you are, how more comfortable you have become in your own skin, how more determined you are in your opinions, in your views, in your values, in the way you operate, and how you choose to show up, whether you are social or introvert. What we are speaking of is this interconnection between all beings. Does not require physical vicinity. For your energetic field is connected to all. And in this moment now, as you tap into the energetic flow that is sweeping your airways in this moment, know that who you are, through your focus and intention, you are capable of neutralizing, of bringing greater balance to that which is off balance, so that all people everywhere are equally seen, equally heard, equally valued, equally cherished. So as you focus on your heart, this force field that creates magic, that moves mountains, that is unshakable, that knows its worth, that knows its capabilities, send out this field of love, so that it encircles your globe in this moment, particularly your United States, so that the states may become united once again, as oppression is revealed, no longer acceptable. For each of you understands. Each of you has come forth in this time period to participate in this revolution. For you have all called for the unity consciousness to rise. And in order for it to rise, that which was in opposition to it must be recognized, must be rectified. no longer swept under the rug. It belongs to each of you. So take a moment and recognize your peace. Allow this peace to reign over you. Allow this peace to be the foundation that you stand upon. And now see yourself with a daisy in your hand. Just like when you were children, plucking out the petals. Many of you played, he loves me not. As you hold this daisy in your hand, pluck away at all that you no longer want, that you no longer desire, that you no longer wish to participate in, that you no longer want as part of your new reality. Letting go of all past hurts. Letting go of all past justifications. Letting go of all righteousness. Letting go of all old wounds. Letting go of all misperceptions. Letting go of all conflicts. Letting go of all anger. Letting go of all pain. Strip yourself down. Until all you are holding is the blossom of the flower. And the blossom of the flower is you, dear ones. You are the blossom. Allow yourself to be rebloomed in this new reality as the new being that you wish yourself to be. Be that which you want to see in this world. Be the example of love in action. But it first must begin within your own heart, towards your own self. For you cannot give to another what is not first given to oneself. Know that your team of light walks before you, beside you, behind you, in every instant, with every breath, with every step that you take. Although chaos may appear, there is perfection in this chaos. Trust in the process that is occurring. Trust in the revelations that are coming. A new order is on the horizon. Maintain your energetic field as much as possible in a state of neutrality. Disengage from that which makes you feel powerless. Spread love, spread hope, spread comfort, spread inspiration, spread the best version of who you are. Broadcast your light, and when possible, be the voice for those who are incapable or unable to speak for themselves. You are greatly loved. You are greatly admired. You are greatly cherished. Each and every one of you. Those that are watching this broadcast in this moment, those that will be watching it in a future time, know that all is well. All is perfect. All is complete. You are simply in between chapters. Allow the story to unfold. Many of you will be pleasantly surprised by the great realization that will be discovered. Stay humble. Stay truthful. Stay true to yourself. And so it is. And now, before we come back, in your mind's eye, just envision the planet at this time. As she is going through her own processes of rebalancement, of equilibrium. See every being everywhere as a brilliant light. See this light being amplified in each and every heart, so that all may stand in solidarity as one people, one tribe, one race, one heart, one breath, one love, until all beings everywhere awaken to their truth. And now bring yourself back to this moment.